National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, western Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crowley to Cedar Hill, moving north 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Houghton City, Duncanville, Hearst, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Midlothian, Crowley, Forest Hill, Glen Heights, and Red Oak. Those traveling to or from the Arlington, TX area are in the path of these storms and should prepare for strong damaging winds. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for north central Texas.